Today I'm taking a look at the AUMOX Pro 2.5G Ethernet switch. So it does come with instructions. And here is the switch. So we got our power port on the back. We do actually have a grounding screw on there, so we make sure we are fully grounded out. We got some ventilation on the side and ventilation on the left side as well. This has 8 2.5G ports, and they even have a key on the top to let you know what the lights are. So the green light on the right, that is going to be 100 1000, and the orange light on the left, that is the 2.5G. So if you know that's flashing, you got the full 2.5. We also have 2 SFP ports. They actually have these nice rubber covers on them. So that is your 10 gigabit ports for your advanced networking. And this also has a Vlan switch. So with it to the left, that is in standard mode. So all of these ports can connect to each other. If we switch that over to Vlan, that is going to isolate all these ports. So if we don't want this computer to contact this computer, we just switch this over to Vlan. I'm going to keep that on standard. You can see that this requires 1 amp at 12 volts. And we can also see that we have mounting slots if we want to put this thing on the wall. And it does look like it comes with a power supply with a standard barrel connector. So it says it can input 100 to 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic. And it outputs 1 amp at 12 volts. I also appreciate that they put the positive and negative designation on there. So in the event that you need to replace this power supply, you'll know exactly what you need. And we do have a power LED on there, so we know that this guy is on. And this is the important part. The switch capability is 80 gigabits per second. So if you're to load up all those ports, that is going to be the total that it can handle. The operating range is 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. So you just want to be careful if you're going to be putting that thing in a garage. So we'll start by plugging our switch into the router. And we'll plug in computer number 1, computer number 2, and computer number 3. So if it's solid, that means that it's plugged in. If it is blinking, that means that it is dealing with data. Looks like these two computers are only 10G. This computer is the full 2.5G. That is because this one is actually plugged into a 2.5G mesh system. So that is the satellite of this system. So it is not a surprise to me at all that this is the only one getting the 2.5. So now let's just go ahead and check our internet. And we have got internet. That is a very powerful device for such a small thing. That is a very nice switch. So I'm happy with that.